Prior to construction, we had a crowded space with a tub fixture out and a step-over tub to get into the shower.
This. And all of it is coming out of, we got this little piece here that's going to go right here and here, but this is the one that's going to be the most difficult.
Really?
We were going to send it out to a tile place. They could have done it with water jets, right? But they said the problem with it is transporting. So it has to be done on site. So Manny's going to come and put a backing on it. Talk to Darren, I go, we're going to give this one shot.
Yeah.
If it breaks, then she agreed we can eliminate these two niches, but we really want to keep them all. Help design it, because she wanted three in one little one, but because of this stud here, we couldn't move it anywhere else, so it would have looked awkward to have three, so we moved it to four. But
it was good. It was good. I was a contractor for many, many years before I retired. I personally know some of your workers. Them coming, the work that they did, the effort that they put out to give us what we wanted, and everything was really, really good. At one time, we were contemplating her being an interior decorator. Yeah, she has a knack for it. She does.
Yeah.
And when she gets an idea in her head or that, it's like, go find what you look for. I know she's going to pick what she wants and what's good. It was a very good experience. The crews themselves, like I said, they're very professional, very nice, and easy to get along with. I think he's taken and ran with it, and he's done a great job.